Hello everybody, today we're going to be doing another programming exercise. Now in today's programming exercise, we're going to be going over programming exercise 3. Now, programming exercise 3 says, write a program that prompts the user to input a sequence of, that prompts the user to input a sequence of characters and returns the number of values. Now, in this case, we must use the function isVowel written in program exercise 2. Now, the first thing we need to do when we encounter something like this is declare some variables. Now, I'm going to declare the char variable. And I'm going to name it A. You can name it whatever you like. I'm going to name it A. Then we want to write in int vowels is equal to 0. Now we need to write in int not vowels is equal to 0 as well. After that, we must cout enter a word. Next we will cout type in exclamation mark at the end of the word. After that, we can cin a, and now while a is not equal to exclamation mark, you can then put in some curly brackets. Now if is vowel is a vowel. Actually, wait, sorry. It's not how it goes. If is vowel, and then we write in a right there. Put in some more curly brackets. Now here we can cout a is a vowel. Next we can endl, and then vowels plus plus. Once we are done with that, we can enter else cout a is not a vowel. Now the reason that we have these little pluses here is so that in the end we can tell the user how many were vowels and how many were not vowels. Now here we cin a. Once again, don't forget these operator signs. And now we can, after this, we can cout endo. No, after that, we can write in cout vowels and not vowels that are not. Now, since we already have the function covered up, we can just run this program. Now I see a little bug right here. I accidentally put 2 T's. Typos can happen like that, so I just rebuild it and run it again. Now we can enter a word. Now type in, now something that you always need to make sure is you need to always write an exclamation mark at the end of each sentence, at the end of each word. So I can like put in tie and it'll just keep on going. But if I need to put, for me to get the sum, I need to write in tie exclamation mark and I get this. Now you can see that it's sometimes a bit annoying because if the user, let's say, forgets that they have to put an exclamation mark and they just enter, it will keep on going, right? But it will not actually terminate. So you can see that if I write in tie, it says tie is not a vowel, right? But now if I put in tie exclamation mark, tie is not a vowel, tie is not a vowel, tie is a vowel. But you can see that right here, it actually multiplied stuff by 2 because I inputted it twice. But now if I just put in tie exclamation mark, I get that. So now one way to fix this is actually to use the get function instead. You can use cin get. Now this is not as commonly used as cin normally, because the reason for that is because get does not skip spaces. So now you could type in a space at the end of a word. Now you could just now chances are most people just accidentally put a space in the first place. So let's say I put tie, naturally I just put a space anyways and enter, and I get it like that. So that's pretty much better than just using the CIN. Now I hope you all had a great time doing this program exercise with me. I hope you all can learn from the concepts that I went over in this video, and I just hope that you all have fun. I'll see you in the next video, and bye.